In today's video we're gonna take a look at this amazing laptop. Let's open it. What happened? It's so dirty! Who touched it again? I hate people. When they see you have something, they start touching it with their fingers and they do like this and that and that, and they destroy the beauty of the tech. My beautiful baby Asus got dirty. What am I gonna do now? This is magical blue liquid from Philips. The potion that will make me clean my laptop. Let's try it. This is specially for screen, but I use it for everything, and I think it works. With a special microfiber cloth to clean it the best possible way. Ah, it's very dirty. The beautiful blue liquid by Philips Clean Cleaner Spray did the flawless job. No more fudgy fingers, as I said. I invented this term. Perfect and clean Asus ROG Strix laptop that we will take a look in another video. What a beauty, isn't it? Thank you guys for watching this small cleaning. And be sure to like and subscribe, and I really advise you to buy yourself Philips Screen Cleaner.